see this area. Okay, and you can see this. Dear friends, today I have a asus X1502 laptop, and this laptop problem is hinge is broken, and you can see this, and this hinge is fully broken from this left side, and it's come out the outside. Today I will solve this issue, and hopefully you will enjoy this video. Okay, let's open the laptop, and you can see this area. This area is fully broken, the inside. Let's open it, and after that I will show how we can fix this very perfectly. And here is so many dust, also cooling fan. I will clean this. Before I do anything, definitely I have to disconnect the battery. If the short circuit, never be damage anything. Okay, and I need to separate the display. If I want to separate the display, I need to open this screw from here. This is the display connection. Let's open it. Open this. Another one. There is also 3 screw. You can see this here. This screw is broken. Okay, this part is separated from the body. Let's check it, and it's very hard. Due to the hardness, it's broken. I need to make it free from this here. I need to open this part. I will not open the display, and just I will set up this here, and you can see this, and here is the 2 screws. Okay, but 2 screws is broken. I will use the epoxy glue for holding this hinge, and I will lose this here. I'll keep this as the requirement now. Okay, now this is okay. When you mix this, and you have to remember to choose the take the same quantity of amount both. And it's perfectly mixing, and it become a white color. And I think it is perfectly mixed. Perfect location. Okay viewers, I will keep this for 24 hours, and after that I setting this. Okay, after 24 hours, and it's perfectly set. Let's set up it. Okay, our laptop is setting complete. You can see this here, and this is the wireless connection. And let's connect the battery. Battery also connected. Turn on the laptop and see. And this will also come. Okay viewers, let's set up this, and after that I will show all things. And after Hinge is repair, and you can see it's perfectly set up, and you cannot understand which side was the broken, and this side is also okay. And rotate this side and this side also, you cannot understand that. Okay, let's shut down this. Laptop is shutting down, and it is down, and you can see this area. Okay, and you can see this. Okay viewers, thanks for watching.